Hello everyone. In this video, let's start understanding how to draw the image formation formed by a plane mirror for a line object or for a straight line object. In the previous video, you must have checked how to draw the image formation by a plane mirror for a point size object. So let's draw the plane mirror first. This is the reflecting side, and behind with these lines we will represent this as the polished surface, that is the non-reflecting surface of a plane mirror. Now draw a line size object. Let's say I will be drawing a line size object of 4 centimeters over here. So this is a 4 centimeter object. A, B, this is a line object. This is referred to as object kept in front of this plane mirror. Now the tip over here to draw it quickly in the exam is that we will mark it, we will measure this distance. Let's say it is also 4.1 centimeter, so we will draw it 4.1 centimeter, and so this is 4.1 centimeter. We will mark this point. This is represents A dash for the image, and again this one 4.1 centimeter. This is marked as B dash for the image. Now for point A, consider this as the point object. So remember, we have drawn a straight incident ray falling on this plane mirror. It will be bounced back on the same, and we will draw a dotted line behind joining with this point A dash. Then, and there will be another for B. This straight line again, it will also be bounced back on the same path. Let us join this behind the mirror. We know that we have to draw the dotted line. Now a second incident ray also we require at an angle. So let's make this as second incident ray. This is the incident ray. This was the angle I over here. Join this with this B dash with the dotted line and proceed it in front of the mirror with a straight line like this. This is angle R. Now the same thing we will do for the point A. We will drop another incident ray like this. This is your next angle, angle I dash, let's say. Join this with A dash with the help of dotted line, and in front of the mirror it will go straight. This is the reflected ray. Let's say this is R dash angle. So these two angles are equal, and these two angles, they are equal. So now we will make the image over here joining these A dash and B dash. Now finally draw the arrows. So this is your A dash B dash. This is the image of the line size object or straight line object AB, that is A dash B dash. Now what are the characteristics of this image? Yes, the characteristics of the image will remain same. The first one, virtual and erect. As you can see that this has formed a virtual erect image, so it will be virtual and erect. The second one, the object size, that means the size of the object, it is same as the image size, that is size of the image. So that is why this was 4 centimeter, this was also drawn 4 centimeter, because the size of the object, it is equal to size of the image in case of a plane mirror. Then what are the other characteristic? That the distance of the object from plane mirror, it is equal to the distance of the image from the plane mirror. So these are the main characteristics we have written over here for the image formed in case of a plane mirror. You try this at your home, following all the steps, and labeling is very important with the marking of the arrows. And we will meet in the next video of showing the rules for making the image in case of spherical mirrors. So thank you for watching and keep learning.